Positive visions, never blinded by the fame. So yeah, and it was written in the stars, over every boulevard, to make a change in this cold ass game. Cause the positive visions, never blinded by the fame. So yeah, and it was written in the stars, over every boulevard, to make a change in this cold ass game. Cause the positive visions, never blinded by the fame. So I was more the real, you were more the counterfeit. You say you making moves, well shit, I'm going counter it. They saying I'm a joke, but this kid is more than practical. Hoping that me and the types of match that is compatible. But I ain't changed while everybody else is selling out, making hella cash off the lies that they be telling out. Rap ain't dead, but the real lacks existence. I never had a whip, but my drive is persistent. But shit, it's nothing, man, my flow is hella rugged. Cause my family comes first and nothing's gonna stand above it. Man, I'm sick of all the radio, no one's got substance. Fictional movies with a Hollywood budget. But I ain't tripping, I ain't hating on anyone. Success is in my vision, but they don't wanna let it come. But I ain't even tripping, man, I work until my deal comes. You can have some fake friends, I'ma get some real ones. Yeah, and it was written in the stars, over every boulevard, to make a change in this cold ass game. Cause the positive vision's never blinded by the fame. So yeah, and it was written in the stars, over every boulevard, to make a change in this cold ass game. Cause the positive vision's never blinded by the fame. So I ain't never plan on slowing down, homie. Might I say that you be at the red light? My team got the right of way, and I'm just trying to chase a dream. Help to make a difference inside a cold world that survives off its ignorance. But yeah, I swear these rappers make me sick. Cause I'm trying to take a stand while you're busy trying to sit. And still I'm underground, but I'm reaching for the surface. Rappers talking shit, but I'm speaking with a purpose. Yeah, and that's the problem with the game. Cause I'm on a different level, but they tell me I'm the same. And if their drive ain't right, then get the fuck from out my lane. I keep my feet up on the ground, to the sky, you know I ain't burned. It's a big room, still my team the elephants. Funny cause my only friends used to be the president. It's written in the sky, so success is pretty evident.